Welcome. You now hold the key to embark on the exciting exploration of unlocking the hidden secrets of the Bible. Just follow along, and you will learn how to begin your very own search. Let's start by trying to find a connection between Edison and electricity. The first thing we will do is select a book. The Torah. Once the Torah is selected, we open the Search dialog box under the File menu. We need to empty out previous search lists by pushing the Select button and then the Delete button. Now we are ready to type our words. We find the Hebrew translation of the words Edison and electricity by pushing the Dictionary button, which opens the Hebrew-English Dictionary dialog box. In the English word field, we type Edison. Then we press the To List button to send the word to the search screen. Since we are doing a multiple search, we do the exact same thing with the word electricity. Then we push the Exit button to go back to the Search dialog box. Before we begin our search, we push the Options tab to set our options for the search. We are going to set our skip range from 4,000 to 4,500, and we do not want a block on our search, so we push Clean to erase the block parameters. Now we push the Search tab to go back to our search screen. To begin our multiple search and slide build, push the Auto button below your searched words. The Slide Auto Build dialog box appears, and we are going to select Build a new slide and Empty Found List. Then click OK. We can see our search progressing and our slide building. In the lower left-hand corner, we can also see our found numbers increasing. When the search is finished, push the Slide tab to see your results. This is what the results will look like in the main screen. We have now completed our first multiple search. Push Advanced Search to go on to Demonstration 2, or Exit to leave this demonstration. Welcome to Demonstration 2, which will guide you through the steps to conduct an advanced search. Let's begin by importing an already existing slide. Click on Options from the main menu and go to the Legend view and select Yes to open the Legend window. Next, we need to open the Search dialog box under the File menu. Once here, we click on the Slide tab and we are ready to import a file. Push the Import button, and an Import from Text File dialog box appears. Select the diana.txt file and click OK. Notice how the Legend window added information from a previous Diana search. We can also see the highlighted words in the Hebrew text above that correspond to the information in the Legend. Now we need to look for the Hebrew translation of the word accident. Push the Dictionary button, and in the English word field we type the word accident. As you can see, the Hebrew translation for this word comes up, so we need to press the To Word button to send the word to the search screen. Push the Exit button to go back to the Search dialog box. To set our options for the search, we push the Options tab. We are going to set our skip range from 1 to 400. Push the Search tab to go back to our search screen. To begin our search, push the Auto button below the translation field. The Slide Auto Build dialog box appears, and we are going to select Add to Existing Slide. For the search block, we select Slide and enter 3 lines. Click OK. Now, as we look at our main screen, we can see the new word has appeared. To change the color and shape of our word, go to the Slide tab and push the Shape button. Select the rectangle and click on the Shape Fill box. Then push the Background and Foreground buttons and select a color for each area. Click OK. Now in the Slide tab, select the word Accident, which is Tuna, and press the Shaping button. Look on your main screen to see how the word has changed. In order to save our slide to a database, we push the 2DB button. The Save Slide to Database dialog box appears, and we must name our slide. Then click OK, and the slide will be saved for future use. We have now completed an advanced search. Push Dates and Transliteration to go on to Demonstration 3, or exit to leave this demonstration. Welcome to Demonstration 3, which will guide you through the steps to use dates and transliteration in all of your searches. Let's begin by conducting a multiple search using a word and a date. First, open the Search dialog box under the File menu. Once here, we click on the Dictionary button, and in the English word field, we type the word revolution. Next, press the To List button to add the Hebrew word to the search list. Push the Exit button to go back to the Search dialog box. Next, we click on the Date button to open the Date Conversion dialog box. In the Gregorian date field, we type November 7th, 1917. We then push the Convert button to see the date converted to the corresponding Hebrew date. Under Format, we select Year, and then we push the To List to send the date to the search screen. Push Exit to go back to the Search dialog box. To set our options for the search, we push the Options tab. We are going to set our skip range from 1 to 200. Push the Search tab to go back to our search screen. To begin our search, push the Auto button below your searched word and date. The Slide Auto Build dialog box appears, and we are going to select Build New Slide and Build Slide using different words. Click OK to begin slide build. Now click on the Slide tab to see your results. This is what your results will look like in the main screen. Now we want to add another word to our previous search. We are going to do this using the Transliteration tool. First, push the Hebrew button in the Search dialog box. We are going to type the word Lenin. We do this by typing L-N-I-N. Please note that there is no corresponding Hebrew letter for an E. Push Exit to close the keyboard. In the Search dialog box, we type Lenin in the Translation field. Now we are ready to begin our search. Push the Auto button below the word Lenin. We are going to add this slide to the slide we began above, so select Add to Existing Slide. For the search block, we click Slide and enter 3 lines. Click OK. Again, go to your Slide tab to see your results. This is what your results will look like in the main screen. We have now learned how to use dates and transliteration in our search. Push Exit to leave this demonstration.